Welcome to my Northwestel Internet Provider Review, Usage Experience. Links to their plans and services are included in the description for your convenience. In this video, I'll cover the key features, target audience, and my experience using Northwestel, ensuring you have all the information to make an informed decision. Northwestel is a leading internet provider serving northern and remote regions of Canada, including Yukon, Northwest Territories, Nunavut, Northern British Columbia, and Northern Alberta. Their offerings are tailored to address the unique challenges of providing connectivity in these remote areas. The company's flagship service is their high-speed internet, available through both fiber and DSL, depending on location. Speeds range from 15 Mbps to 250 Mbps, catering to a variety of needs, from basic web browsing to data-intensive activities like streaming and online gaming. One standout feature of Northwestel is its focus on improving accessibility in underserved areas. With investments in fiber optic infrastructure and partnerships with government initiatives, they aim to bridge the digital divide. This makes Northwestel an ideal choice for residents and businesses in remote communities where other providers may not operate. During my experience, the fiber optic plan stood out for their reliability and consistent speeds, even during peak hours. For households with multiple users or businesses requiring stable connections, these plans are a solid option. Their DSL plans, while not as fast, still provide reliable service for areas without fiber access. Another notable aspect is their unlimited data options on select plans, which is crucial for regions where connectivity options are limited. However, some plans may still come with data caps, so reviewing the terms carefully is essential. The installation process is seamless, with professional technicians ensuring proper setup, even in challenging locations. One drawback to consider is the higher cost compared to providers in urban areas, which is understandable given the logistical challenges of servicing remote regions. Additionally, some users in very remote locations may experience occasional latency, though this is minimized with their upgraded network infrastructure. In conclusion, Northwestel is a dependable option for Northern Canada residents and businesses, providing tailored solutions for remote connectivity needs. For those prioritizing accessibility and reliability in underserved areas, Northwestel delivers. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details, and feel free to share your questions or feedback in the comments. Thank you for watching.